Good day, friends. Today we want to continue our class on heat energy. We've talked previously on linear expansivity, area expansivity, and cubic expansivity. So we want to see this question on heat energy, on expansivity. We have JAM 1992 question 15. One of the most important applications of bimetallic strip is found in the construction of A, thermostat, B, an altimeter, C, a thermocouple, D, a hygrometer. This question is testing on the application of bimetallic strip, and it is majorly used in the balance wheel of clock and watches. This bimetallic strip is used in the balance wheel of clock and watches. It's used in thermometer. It is used in thermostats, and it is used in electric fire alarm. So out of this option, the one I've mentioned is a thermostat. I hope you have gained something in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. IKORODU on YouTube. Let us share this information. Let it go far and wide. See you in my next video. Bye.